There, there are three things that every franchisee is looking for when deploying sites. If you're the franchisor and you want to start offering sites for every single franchisee, aka location, there are three things that you need to be that every franchisee wants after 235 plus launches between retail, healthcare, financial services, and more specifically in the franchise space. Here are the three things. Number one, uh, the a site that converts, right? If the goal is to recruit new employees to a location, a site that's set up to do that, that works on mobile, that can be texted to. If it's to drive leads for a specific home service, again, form above the fold. You don't need a map because no one's driving to the specific location. Like a site that's really set up to drive leads. Leads generate phone calls, it works. So number one is a site that's set up for leads. And the reason why I say that is because you can publish a site that looks pretty, but if it's not set up to drive the intended action, and almost every site has an intended action. If it's not set up for that, then it's like the franchisee starts to be like, well, what am I paying for? Number two, personalized. Every franchisee has something unique about the local market that they compete in that they want highlighted on the site that makes it feel unique to them. Now, if you're just giving them a cookie cutter site, you know, it, it's a good step one, but step two is like they want to be able to personalize it. Now, will they ever personalize it? I would say less than 10% of franchisees will actually personalize the site, but if it can be personalized with just the graphic of the neighborhood that they're operating in, or the town that they're operating in, or the city, or the street that they're on, or the people who work for them, or whoever the manager is, that's a lot enough personalization that will satisfy about 98% of all franchisees. So the site feels like it's something for them. Number three, local presence. That it's a site that works in terms of its organic power in search, aka SEO, right? So the site, drives leads, because when someone gets there, it's personalized to the specific franchisee. And the third is that it actually works. So when someone does a search for, specific town service, specific town brand, that's the site that comes up, and that it can be expanded in that same way. So that site shows up in more than just one basic type of search query, aka what a customer is searching for. Those are the three things. That's it. I can keep rambling. Those are the three things that make rolling out a website program successful for your franchisees. Focus on those three things, and you will knock out 99% of the headaches. Peace.